Okay, let's see how this goes. This is the base for the smart grip, and here are the internal pieces. All these I don't think I'm gonna start with. This is the adapters for the different pistols. These are, and then this, I don't know what it is, but I'll look at it later. What I wanna get is these pieces, which are the external pieces. The palm rest I care less about, I will put it at the end. Let's just see what there's here. And I have 1, 2, 3 different settings for the front of the grip. There's one that lifts it more. There's one that is the 0, and then one that is the less. Okay, so this one should take the front higher. This is the 0, and this is the minus. You can see it here, plus, 0, minus. I'll start with a regular one and put it here. I'm gonna try not to put any screws or anything yet, because I wanna first see how it fits. Okay, next, let's see, these are the back pieces. Let's see, with this one, this is the +2, and as you can see here, it goes like this. No, shouldn't that end here or here? Here. So this goes like this, and it doesn't go any further. Okay, let's keep on exploring this. There's another piece here, +0, minus. Let's start getting pieces together. More, +0, minus. Everything comes with 3 sizes, so that you can adapt it to whatever you need. Okay, this is the beaver tail, and these are gonna be for this part. Let's use this one, straightforward. This one I think I have to drive this farther down, I'm not sure. I have to check if there's any other pieces going inside. I don't think there's anything going there, but okay, then this one. I think so far everything's good. I just need to add one here, which is gonna be this one. Let's see what happens when I add it. How does it go here? Okay, you just follow. It's got lots of easy, it makes it easy really to figure out where the pieces go. This is comfortable. And then the beaver tail goes here. There's only one, so there's no choice. It's a bit like the palm rest, there's only one. This should be, let me see, the instructions has everything about where everything goes. So here are the other plugs. This one goes in the front for the index. Okay, this one I have to remove. I have to remove the screw before I put it in. And then, yeah, this I don't need, this I don't need. This already did, so this is the one I need to do. Okay, so let's see if I can do it by hand. No. Let me try to get, let's see which one goes here. Too small. Okay. There it goes. This is nice. You don't lose them like this. Okay, now I see it goes here. I would like to have a little more here, but let's see. And then there's the index here. This is for the thumb. So I need to put it more or less here. It goes here. No. Thumb rest, yes, I have to. This is the thumb rest. So I have to take out another screw. This one is too big. Let's see this one. Yep. This goes here. You just have to find the angle you prefer. Let's try there. I understand these things make it easier for it to stop. Okay. Okay. This is done, this is done, this is done. No, this is not done. This is the one I still have to do. It goes here. Here it goes. Putting this finger. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna add this here, just remove the screw and put it here, and then do here this one, and I'm basically done. I'm gonna leave you for doing all the tightening and untightening of the screws. Actually, I think it's better that we go on with every single piece. So the beaver tail, there's a space here for these little like crowns, so I'm gonna just take them out, make sure that the screw is all the way out, and I'm just gonna put them with the spiky parts towards the inside, because I guess that's what it should hold. You see that this is plastic, but it has metal pieces where you need to add some extra strength. This is another size also. I will try to write all the sizes on the review. Okay, now I want to make sure that this works for my hand, so I'm going to go with that. This time I'm going to give it a little bit more so it doesn't move. We'll see how I have to adapt it when I put the palm rest. So far so good. And the palm rest goes here. yet again another size. You see these things is just very usual in pistols. They come with this so that you can tighten. The rest it doesn't matter if it's wood or plastic. Oh, this is the other one. Oh, no, this doesn't look like it's a line. Okay, I see it now. I can put it, I can drive it up a little bit. That's it. Sorry, wrong one again. This is too small at the end. This is it. This is also metal into metal. This one I'm gonna lower yet a little bit. And see how it works like that. No, this is too much. My dog is whining because I pay more attention to this than to him. Feels really good. Let's see. Now I have to find the screws for these. Oh, the keys are here. I didn't see it. All the keys are included here. Nice. See. And these are the pieces. All of them are numbered or have some kind of way of identifying them so you don't have to guess. A lot of screws. And I hope there's the pins that I need here. Let's see. This one is done, this one is done, this one. I missed something. Okay, here it is. There's one here. Okay, so this one, you just put it in place and then you use the 2mm Allen key to take the inner screws so you make them go out, and then it tightens the grip. There it is. Hey, I forgot something. There's a piece missing here. Okay. Does this go this way or this way? Okay, I should have mounted that before. So this should be able, I should be able to take it out. No, it doesn't move. So that means I put it in too hard. And it goes the other way around. I think I did something wrong here. Actually, it goes the other way I thought. So, clockwise to release, counterclockwise to tighten. This one will be held by the other one. Let's try something bigger. I want to try everything bigger today. No, this one should be the opposite. 0 or minus. Let's try minus now. Zero. Now this I tighten it by going counterclockwise if I find it. There it goes. Let's use the other one. I will be experimenting and playing with this anyway. And I just need to tighten this one. I should be done. So I have to find the piece is inside also. Yep. This one is inside too. So even easier. You don't have to find any screws anywhere. See? I don't know if you can see, but it went inside the plastic, and now there's no way to move it. Everything is solid. This one is probably for this one. Yeah. Principle is this screw here just presses on the inside part of here, so you cannot remove. You should not be able to remove it. See, there's a place here, so I just have to tighten it a bit more until it gets all the way in, and it presses that area, and it will not fall out. Remember that by ISSF regulations, your any modification you have should be permanent, which doesn't mean like these ones are not permanent as in they cannot be removed, but they cannot fall out or anything. They're just fixed with the different screws. I should have done this before putting the beaver tail on. Well, that's how I learned. I don't want to press it enough so that it doesn't. Still needs to go a bit deeper. This screw goes clockwise to tighten the contrary of the other ones, but that's normal. This one is supposed to be going in, and the other ones are supposed to be going out to tighten. Let's see. Yep, it's fixed. So that's it. It's done. It's done. First time ever trying. Very simple, straightforward. It will be quick to change any pieces. And now, oh, I forgot the most important part. Adapting it for my pistol. Let's see, Feinwerkbau. So I need the A1, A2L, what is, that's probably for Walter, A2, A5, A3, A4, A2, A1. I need the A1 that goes this way. Okay, I don't think this is going this way. Let me see. Put it in wrong. This is the way. Okay, there's one. Now I need the A2L. If I stop hitting the camera, sorry. A2L. Goes this way. And then I have to add two metal ones. Here they are. This one with the 4 seats for the 4 screws to move the pistol around, and the thin plate. There's no way you can make a mistake. There's not many. Nothing else looks the same. So first I add this seat. But basically what it does is it makes sure that the plastic doesn't get damaged. And then this other one goes on top with the seat of the, as you can see here, the screw sit on the other plate. So you can change here, you can turn this one, and you can change the angle of your pistol. And then I have to add this one, I think. No, not one of these. There's another piece I'm missing. Is this it? No. I need one long screw and two pieces, two blue pieces. So this is the metal one. This is a metal piece. Everything that is blue is metal. This goes at the bottom. Then I need a plastic piece. This one. This is the plastic piece. That goes like this. This one goes like this. Okay, so one fits inside the other one. And then I need to get one of these long screws. This one looks the same. Let me see, and here's it. Has the washer. This goes here. This goes, oops. Okay. I have to take this out. My pistol is a Feinwerkbau P8X, so it's not electronic. But you can see that this is made so that all the electronic pistols can fit. Then this goes inside here, and it fits like this. And I wait until I put my pistol. This one is not long enough. I need this one, the longest one, I think. You see the difference? It's much longer. Much longer. So this goes here, this goes here, and I have to go get my pistol. Okay, so I got my pistol. I'm just gonna remove the cover for the electronic boards that I'm gonna use just to see where the screw is going when I'm trying to attach it to the grip. I actually really like the color of these keys. They're kind of like a dark bronze. It's very nice detail. Okay, so now I can see here where the screw should go. I actually had to change the screw because I tested it without the grip, and the one I had chosen was too thick. Wait, I'm missing a piece here. Yep, here it is. Make sure that make sure that you don't hurt the plastic. And now it's gone in, so I can add these two pieces here without feeling that they fall down while I'm trying to put this thing down. To put the screw in. Okay, that's it. Let's go for the screw. think this should be the thicker one. Nope. Yeah, this is the one. For my Feinwerkbau P8X, the screw is the 3mm one. I can feel it tightening now. You can see it here. It's right where it bends. Okay, now it's strong enough. Doesn't move at all. This is, I hope you can see what it looks like, and me too, because I want to see how it goes. Now, time for shooting and testing the pistol. This is what it looks like, the P8X at the end, with the smart grip on, and my dog complaining.